How many are we at? 5? Dan, put us at the number.
Yeah, we're at 5.
Uzi, how many more?
Uzi, what number are we at?
What am I at? What are we at? 17.
Hey you guys, we're here today for a very special episode of how many kickflips does it take to rip these shoes. Today we're here in aisle
I don't think they have numbers.
D29 and D30. And what we're gonna do is motor kick our way over to the shoe section over there and find the cheapest shoes that they sell at Target that resemble skate shoes, because I don't know if they really sell skate shoes here. Then we're gonna buy those skate shoes, take them back to the Braille house, and do as many kickflips as we possibly can until holes appear in the shoe. And the rule is you have to be able to stick your finger through the hole for it to count.
I love the shape of you.
All right, where are the men's shoes at? Oh, I found them. Hot wheel bite.
What is happening?
What? Dude, if I could fit this Chewbacca onesie, I would buy it so bad. I don't know if that makes sense.
You're too fast.
We're on to something. Look at those. They even got little rivets for grip. Oh, we're gonna rip these in like 600. These are done. These are toast already. All right.
There's a 10 in those ones.
Oh good. This is Champion brand. Cushion fit. This is gonna be the most comfortable kickflip challenge we will ever do ever. We've checked. The Champion tennis shoes are the cheapest shoes at Target. We're gonna buy them, we're gonna take them back to the Braille house, and we're gonna do as many kickflips in them as we can and see how much it takes to put a hole that you can stick your finger through. This is awkward. Mowgli, I have a gift for you.
Looks like the Powell sign.
Oh, it does.
Are they my size?
They're size 10. These are the Champion lightweight training cushion fit shoes from Target that were $34.99.
Lightweight training?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be training, you know, ever since I've been here, which has only been
About
2
2
weeks. Ever since I've been here. I've been thinking this is like a hyperbolic time chamber. You DBZ fans
Doesn't
know.
it feel like it? Oh, that was hard to watch. Oh, yeah, razor blades in there.
You got a couple. Do you grip with that?
We're here today with Mowgli, new Braille team member. Here with Glow Border. Welcome back.
Awesome. Thank you.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That was so messed up. You just left me hanging so bad. And we're also here with Young Ooze.
That's me. All right.
Would you like to explain the rules of this event?
I mean, we're gonna learn how long it takes to make a hole here.
Here's the rules. We do the kick flips. We kick flip so many times that the shoe's like, I'm gonna use your toe as a shoe, and you can't do that.
I used to do that.
Except he's gonna do switch flips, which is way cooler.
Yeah. When I was like broke in high school and couldn't afford shoes, I would have the same pair of shoes and literally just add shoe glue over and over and over and over and over again. And I had freaking holes in every pair of my socks.
Just shoe glue your toes, and you never have to get shoes.
Why don't they do that? Why don't they come up?
Get these socks. Look, get these socks.
Oh, where'd you get those?
Oh,
I don't even have those.
hey, we shoe glue.
And they sponsor me.
You might not get a hole.
Put shoe glue on your socks.
No, what
And then
I'm
wear your
thinking
socks.
would be a really sick idea if like FP did it. Have like a solution that you just dip your bare foot into and it completely coats it in like a substance that makes you not able to like get hurt in it.
Crayon shoes!
This is not 2059.
But it is 2020. Almost.
Almost. All right, let's go.
So Uzi, do you have any estimates on how long this is gonna take?
Well, considering that the sole of the shoe is made out of some mystery space material, it could take, my guess is roughly from about
Give me a number. One number.
5 to 3,000, somewhere in between.
Hey, he said. I said, Uzi, give me a guess for how many kickflips you think it's gonna take to rip these. And he said, I think roughly between 500 to 3,500.
Probably 50.
How many do you think?
225.
What do you think?
447.
What do you think?
536.
I'm thinking more in like the 550 range, like you.
Is he doing all the kickflips?
Yes.
Oh, well then, yeah, two, easy.
I think if Mowgli and I legitimately were the only 2 people doing this video, I think it would be done at like 300.
I don't know. This sounds
They're gonna rip fast.
They're gonna rip fast.
The 2.
Those fibers are gonna grab, I hope.
Or they might just grip.
There you go, Dan. Can you keep count for me?
I guess.
All right, you got this.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, they're done. They're done quick. How many are you at? 5? Dan, put us at the number.
Yeah, we're at 5.
We're 5 in and there's already a hole.
I don't believe it.
I'm serious. I mean, it's already ripping. Look at it.
Continue.
Go ahead.
Continue.
Oh!
That didn't hurt. It felt good.
Really?
Felt real good. These shoes are like moon boots. Catching my breath.
We're only at 36. Look at that.
You can see like all this material coming up that I've ripped. But the thing that's ripped the most is the foam. What if they actually take like 500 to 1,000?
It's gonna suck. All right, on to the next. It's like these were made for running or something.
Or relaxing.
Champion should make some champion shoes.
How do you know these aren't champion?
They for the champion.
So you're the champion?
I'm the champion.
Oh. All right. We'll leave it at that.
All right, Glow, take it down.
Not really.
I don't know. It's almost there.
Do you think anything will beat the Janoskis ever?
Yeah.
What?
Well, I don't know if we'll do any that'll beat the Janoskis, but or like some Tims or something.
Why would we do Tim?
We'll be here for like a
Bro,
year.
we'll be here for literally.
That would be the worst
You
idea.
need like 2 new boards in the span of doing all those kickflips.
Yeah, you'll focus a board before you break through Tim's.
For real.
They look like they're falling apart.
Yeah, we'll leave it with Gabe.
105? How you feel? How you feel?
I feel great.
I mean, review the shoes too.
I still got my legs. I'm gonna pass them off. Let the kickflip master put a hole in them.
Dang!
These are comfortable.
Uzi, I'd like to say I'm really proud of your switch flip progression.
Thank you. My progression arc went like this. I had them 10 out of 10 tier. Then you started saying, "Oh, you suck at switch flips." I went,
Literally like
then they're
below
at 0,
ground level.
and then now they're at like 5. Ah! Almost died. I think I learned it. The ability to stay tied are very low on these. You know, I said the more you do, the worse you get.
Yeah, case in point.
It's looking like it. I hope these shoes. Alright, keep these things off.
Analyze.
I think we got about 600 kickflips more. Space technology is really paying off.
Oh my! How do you guys do kickflips in these? I was like, I know I'm gonna be the first person that falls on this ground, and it has happened. They are extraordinarily comfortable. Come on.
It's getting there. I think I see a tiny hole. You're just going in a circle. What the heck?
Oh, this is exhausting. Okay. We're almost there. Give me 10.
10?
10. What are we at?
163.
163? We're at 163. I'm gonna get it ripped by 170, watch. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm gonna do 7 more kick flips.
Alright.
And then I'm gonna take these shoes off and show the camera they're gonna be ripped. Dang, that was a sick kickflip though. Ow. 4 more. 2 more. Alright. Dang it!
There's like a green layer. Yeah, that's gonna take some time. Because you gotta rip one layer and then the other layer.
Oh no! Look. That is my finger. Because
let me focus.
the green is the insole.
That is his finger.
That is my finger. Do we need to make it more pronounced?
No, we're done. Y'all need to know that once we're done making a hole, there's a hole. And you feel that with your skin when you're doing kickflips. So don't tell me that's not a hole, because if you're doing a kickflip and you ripped through your skin, you'd be like, ah! So,
Anyways, I'm gonna completely ignore what you just said and do 15 more.
Just to be thorough.
what did he rip it at?
170.
170 officially. So anything else is like,
These took 170 and the Vans took right?
yeah.
And the Janoskis took that's
I mean,
unreal.
Champion needs to get on their game. Shots fired.
I mean, I guess, but they're not skate shoes. These are running shoes. I can't kickflip anymore. I forgot how.
You're gonna cut your toe.
I'm gonna cut my toe. Oh, you see that? Yeah, a whole chunk that just flew off.
You're close. You're close.
One more. I gotta land it.
There you go.
What are we at?
188.
188. Let's check the damage. That is done. That's official. That is my entire finger going through these in 188 kickflips. And that is where we end this video. So these were Champion cushion fit running shoes, the cheapest shoes that we could find at Target at $34.99. 188 kickflips later, they're toast. What shoe should we do next? We have no idea, but I know all of you guys who are watching this video do have an idea. So click those videos to my left, check out the rest of the series, subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Definitely let us know where to go next, what shoes we should get, where to buy those shoes. Every ounce of information you can get us, we will make it happen. Thank you guys for watching.